Hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I did a roasted salsa. I'll put all the ingredients down below because it's quite a few just to list off. But as you can see here what all I put in it. Except for the larger can of crushed tomatoes there. I actually use a small can, not a large can. Right here's the tomatoes, and I'll show the dice that I put on them. I say just kind of a small medium dice on the 4 large tomatoes that I had. And there's the peppers. I washed them off real good, and then put a little oil on them and put them in the oven, and had it on broil so it kind of blister and put a little charred look on the skin so they'll come off and give it that roasted flavor for the salsa. See, that was what I was looking for, that little char and color on them. And then I put them in a plastic bag so they can sit and sweat, and the skin will come off of them easier for you. And there they are afterwards, after I took the skin off. It always makes them good and sweeter too after roasting them like that. Brings out a richer flavor. There's the dice on the peppers, that size. And I'll show you the dice on the onion as well. There's the garlic. It's probably a tablespoon and a half or 2 tablespoons of garlic. The jalapeños and their dice. Then I mix it all together well. Let it sit too. In the salsa mix that I have, I put in about 2 tablespoons. And it'll do all of that stuff because it's pretty concentrated. Let it sit for probably 20-30 minutes. Let it all marinate together, and then I stick an immersion blender in it just to chop it up a little bit more. But you still got some chunk in it, so it's not too runny. And that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.